I'd be like, no, he sucks. He's a douche. He owes me 15,000
वो बेचारा 15 लाख रुपए पीआर पे खर्च रहा, उसको ये नहीं पता उसे 15,000 नहीं देके कितना नेगेटिव पीआर हो गया उसका। पीछे एक बंदा खड़ा है सेफ के साथ, कहते विल पुट दिस इन योर रूम। मैंने कहा पुट दिस इन माय रूम, मैं जाऊंगा शो के लिए, यू विल टेक इट फ्रॉम माय रूम आल्सो। ये क्या मजाक है? ये लो सर सेफ।
15,000 rupees spending from a very wealthy person who it's very embarrassing to keep bumping into this person. I can't even like now it's going to
I don't know why
anything.
Mr. Money just won't pay you, man. It's kind of crazy. Being able to be funny on the spontaneously funny and improvise your way through a conversation, 500% a skill. It's the only skill I have. The most
Actually,
useful.
Dan,
With you.
मेरे
So when he broke up with this girlfriend, some high-profile girl, I was so happy. Deserve it.
जो कभी आए नहीं, so I just never trust any survey they do after that.
Any live gigs that you didn't get paid for?
Name and shame.
I can't name, but I still have 15,000 rupees pending from a very wealthy person who it's very embarrassing to keep bumping into this person. I can't even like now it's going to
I don't know why
say
Mr.
anything.
Money just won't pay you, man. It's kind of crazy. Just pay him,
Yeah.
Mukesh.
But it's just, you know, suddenly now you start now if anyone says anything nice about that, I can't handle it. I'd be like, no, he sucks. He's a douche. He owes me 15,000
वो बेचारा 15 लाख रुपए पीआर पे खर्च रहा, उसको ये नहीं पता उसे 15,000 नहीं देके कितना नेगेटिव पीआर हो गया
Because
उसका।
it was a thing, no? Like we all, like I knew him from before, so he's like, oh, you know, this is pending. I'll give it to you after the show. So I said, yeah, sure, because the rest of it came. But now it's become, oh my God, it was just 15,000. Like, what is up with you?
मेरे-
So when he broke up with his girlfriend, some high-profile girl, I was so happy. You deserve it.
नहीं, मेरे को तो वो ऑड लगता है। एक बंदे के पास अटके थे पैसे, काफी टाइम, साल 1.5 साल बाद दिए थे उसने। ही इज इन द मीडिया इंडस्ट्री, पब्लिशिंग में है, एंड रोज कोई ना कोई
अरुण पुरी।
मोटिवेशनल वीडियो नहीं कोई ना
हम
कोई
अभी भी सोच रहे हैं who's the high profile person who's broken up with his girlfriend.
Yeah, high profile girlfriend.
Yeah. Was the girlfriend high profile or he's high profile? The relationship was high profile. भाई तेरी स्टोरी पे आएंगे एक मिनट।
ये मुझे पता लग रहा है।
Important है ये।
हाँ।
15,000 रुपए का सवाल है ये।
भाई
सोहेल
देख
से
कोई पहले टेक में देखते हैं।
सोहेल से
No.
Was the girlfriend high profile?
Yeah, anyway.
You don't have to say yes or no.
Yeah.
We'll just do our own guessing.
I think if payment is UPI-able, then it should be done.
No, now it's been so long. It's not like it, but it's just, you know, it's one of those things.
It's just, you
So now it's just awkward because we're like, and then we walk away.
2.5 लाख रुपए, 2 या 2.5 लाख रुपए हैं जो नीलसन ने मुझे देने थे एक इवेंट के लिए, जो कभी आए नहीं. So I just never trust any survey they do after that.
Hey, you got paid from what was it called? The Laugh Club. No.
हाँ, अरे वो तो
Phoenix?
4.5 लाख रुपए मेरे अटके हुए।
Oh, I feel better now.
हाँ.
Mine was 1.5 lakh and I was feeling bad. Yeah,
अमर
अच्छा,
अग्रवाल,
ठीक है.
हाँ,
Okay.
that
yeah.
we can name.
Yeah.
I think बहुत पैसा बहुत लोगों का अटका है उसमें।
Yeah.
But that's honestly that's the only money that I've lost, and I don't really like feel too bad about it because Canvas did a lot for comedy
Yeah.
in India. So I'm like, ठीक है, वो चला गया, मतलब मिल जाते तो अच्छा रहता, but it's the money that I think कि ठीक है, Canvas ने बहुत कुछ करा इंडिया में, मतलब स्टैंड अप के लिए मुझे लगता है कि जितना सीन बना है कैनवस के कारण, आज भी किसी को मतलब अननोन कॉमिक्स वर गेटिंग 7,000 rupees per gig,
Correct.
which has not happened even now.
Yeah.
No, I don't think I've ever not gotten paid, but I have been paid half because I bombed a little bit. And I've done shows with other comics where it's been awkward, where they've literally given you cash, but they've not given the other comic as much as what they had promised. Because ऐसा मतलब हुआ है कि 3 punchline land हुए तो 3,000 रुपए ले ले, और ऐसा वगैरह हुआ है. I've also been like, the weirdest way to get paid is to get paid at the airport outside in cash. That's the weirdest. Like, that's the most dirty you feel, getting out of a Toyota and then getting cash like this and holding cash and going to the airport. It's very walk of shame. It's very bad.
और एक तो वहाँ गिनना भी तो weird हो जाएगा ना।
हाँ, कैश मत दो यार. कैश एकदम ही अजीब लगता है.
अब तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता है
अब
यार।
तो बिल्कुल अब कैश नहीं होता है.
अब नहीं होता,
बैक इन द डे बहुत होता
पहले
था.
बहुत होता था यार. मेरे को याद है मैंने एक बार एक शो किया था. इट्स रियली वियर्ड यार. डिपार्टमेंट के लिए था, अब तो नहीं बोलना चाहिए मेरे को. तो उन्होंने कहा हम आपको शो के पहले का वेरी डिलीजेंट, हम शो के पहले आपको कैश दे देंगे. तो मैं गया अपने कमरे में. मैंने कहा अच्छा सेफ में रख दूंगा और फिर चला जाऊंगा होटल रूम में. होटल रूम में गया, उन्होंने कैश दिया. मैंने कबर्ड खोला, सेफ ही नहीं है. ठीक है. मैंने कहा भाई कहाँ है? बिस्तर के नीचे, केटल के नीचे, बाथरूम के अंदर. सेफ ही नहीं था उस कमरे में. अच्छा होटल था वो, ताज का होटल था, सेफ नहीं था. तो मैंने फोन किया उनको. मैंने कहा भाई देखो मेरे कमरे में सेफ नहीं है. क्या बात करें सर, सेफ नहीं है, मुझे एक कमरा चेंज कर दो, मुझे सेफ चाहिए अपने कमरे में. सर विल जस्ट सॉर्ट इट आउट. ओके. थोड़ी देर बाद द ड्यूटी मैनेजर रिंग्स द डोरबेल. आई थॉट मैंने अपना बैग रख लिया था, दूसरे कमरे में ले जाएंगे. सो दरवाजा खोला, कहते सर देयर इज नो सेफ इन योर रूम. सर ओके आई हैव सॉर्टेड इट आउट. पीछे एक बंदा खड़ा है सेफ के साथ. कहते विल पुट दिस इन योर रूम. मैंने कहा पुट दिस इन माय रूम, मैं जाऊंगा शो के लिए, यू विल टेक इट फ्रॉम माय रूम आल्सो. ये क्या मजाक है? ये लो सर सेफ आपके कमरे. मैंने कहा इसके अच्छे तो मैं बिस्तर में छुपा दूंगा यार.
Most ridiculous demands you receive for a live show. I think did we cover this? Most ridiculous.
Yeah, I think Anu covered it with her bunny ears and bent over.
Yeah.
So I can whip you.
I don't even know how to top that.
Tanmay has been actually hoping for that demand in some show. It's not happened.
Bunny कुछ नहीं है, नहीं करना है मुझे. I have had me and Rohan have co-hosted a show together. Like we've done an act together. Where it was right after the roast. It was like 6 months after the roast, and lawyer bills were piling up, and we had to do these shows. And they invited us on stage as those roast boys, and the picture, the background was us behind bars for the whole set. It was 30 minutes of me and Rohan in behind jail. Okay, so we just it became very useful because the awkwardness, we just kept addressing it like, what the have you guys done? Why have you put us behind bars for the whole one? That was a fun one. And the weird request at that time was वही कि 10 मतलब everyone used to be like आके बस खिली उड़ाओ, आप बस करो ना, आप बस कर ही दो ना. The byproduct was that anytime we were actually being nasty to people because they're being assholes, they'd start. Hey, this is so funny that you're pissed off at me. This is so funny. Yeah, I think the weirdest one.
Is live shows the primary source of income for you? I mean, now that would be telling. I mean, stop it.
Yes.
Not for me.
No,
Not for me.
I would say half and half.
But now I'm working on a funny motivational talk about weight loss.
Oh,
It's the new market I want to target. Dude, this motivational
Yeah.
talk industry
This is the zone.
is too good. Because there's no pressure to make people laugh also. You can do
Because
it.
that's a bonus.
That's a bonus. Like, if they laugh, it's like, oh shit.
Yeah.
That's also the motto of people who lose 100 kilos. Bonus.
Yeah. True that. So I recently met someone. There are a bunch of companies that specialize in the motivational speaking market. And I was like, I just want to know what the scene is. So one of the questions I had for this person was, yo, like if I do a stand-up show, I know if the show went well or no because people laughed.
Yeah.
How do I know someone's motivated? Like, what's the? What do I?
I'll know 6 months later.
Yeah. How do I know I did a good job motivating them? Like, how does this work? Whatever. The answer wasn't that interesting. It was, they just need to feel like they've been engaged.
But can I tell you though, honestly, the good motivational talks that I've seen are actually the ones where people have laughed only. Something happens and there's cheering and there's it's maybe not just laughter, it's also cheering and applause. So wahi hai wo. It's that. Like I've done a few talks now because people call me to say, okay, cricket as a business, cricket and data being used in sports story in India. Some places, and Tanmay has also been a few, like, because we invest in companies, so you called as an investor, what do you, so you do that. But again, in all those things, whether you're on stage as in whatever role you are, ultimately you need that applause, you need some people to cheer, you need
Correct.
some people to laugh. You create 5-6 of those moments.
It's done.
Everything in the middle is just connectivity.
Correct.
They only remember those stations, they don't remember the train tracks.
Correct.
आई थिंक मोटिवेशन ऑनेस्टली मैं देखा हूँ जितना मेरे को लगता है कि ये सिर्फ आज शाम तक चलने वाला है.
Correct.
इसका कोई वो फर्क इनके काम पे नहीं पड़ेगा. मतलब आई डोंट थिंक ये नहीं है कि अगले 6 महीने प्रोडक्टिविटी इंप्रूव हो रही है वो सब. मोटिवेशनल दैट वे आई फील इज लाइक द ओनली पीपल दैट आई वुड लाइक टू सी ऑन स्टेज इन मोटिवेशनल टॉक लार्जली इज ये जो प्योर मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर है ना, जिन्होंने कुछ करा नहीं है और I don't. Sportsmen, I think, are the best people to
Yeah.
call if you really want to call somebody who's seen a certain level of struggle and
Yeah.
reach somewhere. Those are the only ones that I would be interested in most of the time.
पर उनकी भी, आई एम सॉरी, you're right, पर उनकी भी कोई स्ट्रगल के बारे में इतना नहीं सुनना चाहता, वो कहानियां सुनना चाहते हैं। आपने सचिन के साथ बैटिंग करी, आपने मैं जैसे वीरू के साथ, वीरू एंड मी हैव डन अ लॉट ऑफ शोज टुगेदर। सहवाग, ही इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट ऑन स्टेज, क्योंकि कोई फिल्टर नहीं है उसका, तो वो बता देता है। पर वो ये नहीं रोमांटिसाइज कर रहा कि मैं जब नजफगढ़ में था, मैं ये कोई उसमें इंडियन आइडल टाइप का रोना नहीं है उसमें। वो कहानियां बताता है, मैंने उस अंपायर के साथ ये किया, मैंने उस बॉलर के साथ ये किया, एंड पीपल आर लाफिंग एंड दे लव इट। सो is it motivational, is it comedy,
not
is it
motivational.
entertain, what is it, right?
बेस्ट मोटिवेशन तो बेइज्जती होती है मुझे लगता है।
I think आप कोई भी behind the scenes कहानी जब बताते हो ना, कि लोगों ने आपको देखा है, जैसे ये भी अब हमने जब बताया है, लोगों ने हमको देखा है स्टेज पे, अब हमने कुछ पर्दा उठा के कुछ बताया कि पीछे क्या होता था, that's the thing that people, that's the insight that people want to know.
There was once a celebrity, so I think in Comedy Cellar or somewhere in LA, I can't remember. There was like a celebrity stand-up night. So from different walks of life, celebrities were going to do a bit of stand-up, right? And this person had signed up for it. And he said, I chickened out last minute. Right. He said, because when I give speeches all over the world, when I'm funny, it's always the bonus. And they're like, oh my God, he's funny.
Yeah.
But now if I'm going on stage and I'm purely expected to be funny,
Yeah.
that for me was like,
Correct,
oh shit.
correct,
And he said, to this day, I always regret that. That I should not have
इसलिए
chickened
मैं
out.
स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी नहीं करता। ये जो आदमी ने बोला ना, वो फाटते मेरी।
Yeah, this is also why comedy is a superpower, right? Because you can put it in any place and it makes the experience way better.
But it's like sometimes if you hang out with a lot of comedians, everyone's joking. You don't feel like whatever you're saying is special at all. Right? And then
Correct,
you
correct,
go
correct.
for a show surrounded by, regular corporate people, and then you think, no, actually, it possibly is a skill.
Yeah,
You know?
Yeah.
Then when you see someone giving a speech, you're like, no, perhaps there is some skill in what I do.
No, it's like being able to be funny spontaneously funny and improvise your way through a conversation. 500% a skill. It's the only skill I have. The most
Really
useful
tangible skill.
That's it.
But it works across industries.
It's work across industries.
It does. I agree with you.
और इसका पैसा मिलना चाहिए, अच्छा पैसा मिलना चाहिए, तो जो मिल रहा है वो कोई गलत नहीं मिल रहा है।
और ये तो 10 अलग जगह से कमा रहे हैं उसके।
No, but
So,
Gaurav,
to answer the question, huh?
But you know how it goes, right? Like, for example, you want to invest in a company, so you spend an hour with the founder on call. They want to know all the cricket shit, right? Like similarly, they want to know my shit, right? So the script keeps getting formed when you're doing, like, it's like your own 1 hour. What is it? So I'll pull out, oh, I have one Shah Rukh Khan story, I have an Amitabh Bachchan story, I have this story, I have this story. So these stories are like private bits, as I call them. These are private bits that you would do at a party, etc., etc., etc. Those private bits start forming. So everybody has one public show and a private
one
show.
private
That's
show.
true, right? So everything that you have seen now
Yeah.
is all part of Gaurav's private show. This is what he would do privately. Okay, this is what happens. This is what happens.
With a pole next to it.
Yeah.
Yeah. We haven't said, I kid you not, I feel like, and it could be true of him also, I think 5-6 कंपनियां तो हैं जिनकी कैप टेबल पे हम सिर्फ कहानी सुनते
सिर्फ करके गए करके इन्वेस्ट
सिर्फ क्योंकि उन्होंने जब हमसे मिले तो एडवाइजरी शेयर इसलिए मिली है क्योंकि मैंने विक्ट्री परेड जो हुई थी वानखेड़े में वर्ल्ड कप के बाद उसके बारे में सब कुछ बता दिया कि वो कैसे हुआ can we do advisory share so once every quarter we have to just go and
Yeah.
tell them stories
Yeah.
in front of 5 of the other investors.
Yeah.
It is a skill we have learned to monetize and why
People
not,
feel really good when they know, like, oh, this really happened. What? Oh, okay.
and ultimately that's what we're here for, to make you feel good. Thank you for attending my motivational talk.
What a scam!